Dum-de-dum-dum-dum. Shen RC here with the plum crazy beauty. Just gonna try to run this thing over here, but it's rough. Let's see how it does. In fact, I'm gonna climb right up here like a racer stand and see what the hell this looks like. This spot don't look good, but I'm humming along. It's not good conditions for this. Oh, jumps ain't good. That's why I don't like on-road cars. That's why I only have this one. I never know where to run them. Oh man. Oh. Rally cars at the Tamaya are a little better because they're higher off the ground. You can run them all over on this like nothing. This thing, oh, just sounds nasty too. Holy crap. It's all sand and stuff. Maybe over here's better. Oh, and a little crooked. Let me see the trim. This thing's crazy. It's dirty here. That's pretty quick, but sandy. I think I had enough of this. Oh, just did a jump. It's crazy. It's so bad. Dirty, crusty, you name it. Holy crow, I probably scraped the hell out of this thing today. Oh my god. Let's see what's inside it. coming out. Anyhow, guys, hope you enjoyed the rip with this plum crazy beauty. I didn't ride in a long time. There's nowhere to ride this thing, that's why I never use it. I gotta find somewhere smooth. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Like always, leave me the good stuff, comments, likes. If you're new watching, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Shen RC, I'll see you next time.